The Lost Wallet. My name is Daniel. I am 22 years old. I live in a small town. Every morning I walk to work. One Monday I was late. I walked very fast because my boss did not like late workers. When I reached the bus stop, I saw a black wallet on the ground. I looked around, but nobody was there. Picked it up and opened it. Inside, there was a lot of money, a driver's license, and some bank cards. For a moment, I thought, nobody will know if I keep it. But then I remembered my father. He always said, an honest person sleeps peacefully. I looked at the driver's license. The man's name was Robert Green. His address was not far away. After work, I went to his house. I knocked on the door. An old man opened it. He looked worried. "Excuse me," I said. "Did you lose your wallet?" His eyes became wide. "Yes, I lost it this morning. I looked everywhere." I smiled and gave it to him. He opened it quickly. Everything was inside. He looked at me and said, "Young man, thank you. This money is for my wife's hospital bill." I felt happy. He wanted to give me $100. I smiled and shook my head. "No, thank you. I only wanted to help." The old man smiled. A week later, something surprising happened. My company was looking for a new manager. When I entered the meeting room, I saw Robert Green. He was the owner of the company. He smiled at me. "I already know you are honest," he said. That day I got the promotion. Sometimes, doing the right thing brings rewards that money cannot buy.